Passive income is one of the most searched phrases on the internet, and it's also one of the most misunderstood. The idea sounds simple. You set something up once and it pays you over and over again, while you sleep, while you're at work, while you're living your life. And that idea is real. People do build income streams that run without their constant involvement. But the version you see promoted online, the overnight results, the effortless earnings, the laptop on the beach, that version leaves out most of the story. So in this video, I want to give you the honest version, what passive income actually is, how it works in practice, the income streams genuinely worth building in 2026, and what it actually takes to get there. Because if you go in with the right expectations, passive income is one of the most powerful financial tools available to an ordinary person. If you go in chasing the fantasy, you'll waste months and walk away with nothing. Let's get into it. The textbook definition is income that requires little to no ongoing effort to maintain. You do the work up front, and the returns come in over time without you having to actively trade your hours for money. The key word there is upfront. Almost every passive income stream requires a significant investment on the front end, whether that's time, money, or both. The passive part comes later, and usually much later than most people expect. Think of it like planting a tree. You plant it, you water it, you tend to it for months before it produces anything. And then one day it starts to bear fruit, and it keeps doing that for years with far less effort than it took to grow. That's the honest model, not instant, not effortless from day one, but genuinely rewarding over time if you stay consistent. Now, not all passive income streams are created equal. Some require large amounts of capital upfront. Others require time and skill. Some scale almost infinitely. Others plateau quickly. The ones worth focusing on in 2026, especially if you're starting with limited capital, are the ones that trade time and consistency for long-term returns. Let's walk through 4 of them. Stream 1. YouTube ad revenue. YouTube pays creators a share of the advertising revenue generated by their videos. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. And from that point, every video you've published continues to earn as long as people keep watching it. That's the part that makes YouTube genuinely passive. A video you published 2 years ago can still be earning today. As your library grows, your monthly income grows with it, even if you slow down production. The catch, and it's an important one, is that it takes time to build to that point. The early videos on any new channel attract very few views. That's not failure. That's how the platform works. The algorithm takes time to understand what your channel is about and who it's for. For channels in the AI and finance niche, which is where this channel sits, the advertising rates tend to be higher than average. That means fewer views are needed to generate meaningful revenue compared to lower value niches. It's one of the reasons this particular niche is worth building in. Stream 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is straightforward. You recommend a product or tool, someone clicks your link and signs up or buys, and you earn a commission. The link keeps working long after you've published the content. What makes affiliate marketing particularly powerful is that it doesn't require you to create a product, handle customer service, or manage inventory. Your job is simply to create content that reaches the right audience and point them toward tools that genuinely help them. The most effective affiliate content is honest, reviews that acknowledge limitations, comparisons that give real context, recommendations based on actual use rather than just commission potential. Audiences can tell the difference, and the ones who trust you are the ones who act on your recommendations. For channels in the AI and online business space, there are strong affiliate programs available for the tools people are already using. 11 Labs offers an affiliate program for creators who use and recommend their voiceover platform. InVideo AI does the same. These are tools I use personally for this channel, and I've linked both in the description. Stream 3. Digital products. A digital product is something you create once and sell repeatedly with no inventory, no shipping, and no per unit cost. Ebooks, templates, guides, mini courses, spreadsheet tools, anything that solves a specific problem for a specific person. The economics of digital products are hard to beat. You spend time creating something once, You list it on a platform like Gumroad or Etsy, and every sale after that is essentially pure margin. The mistake most people make with digital products is trying to create something too broad. A guide called How to Make Money Online competes with millions of other pieces of content. A template called Weekly Budget Planner for Freelancers solves a specific problem for a specific person and is far more likely to convert. The more targeted the problem you solve, the easier it is to find the audience that needs it, and the more valuable the product feels to the person buying it. Stream 4. Print on Demand. Print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, and Printful allow you to upload designs that get printed on products, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and wall prints, only when someone orders them. You never hold stock, you never ship anything. The platform handles all of it. You earn a royalty on each sale. It's genuinely passive once the designs are live, and the barrier to entry is low. You don't need to be a professional designer. You need a good idea and a basic tool like Canva to execute it. The downside is that individual royalties are small, and building meaningful income requires either a large catalog of designs or designs that connect with a particular niche at the right time. It's a slow burn, but for someone willing to build consistently, it adds a layer of income that runs entirely in the background. Now, here's the part most passive income content skips over. None of these streams are truly passive in the beginning, and most of them work best when they're combined. Think about how they fit together. A YouTube channel creates content that drives affiliate commissions. That same content builds an audience that buys your digital products. The credibility you build online makes your print-on-demand products more discoverable. Each stream reinforces the others. This is what a real content business looks like. It's not one magic income stream. It's a set of connected revenue sources, each one growing alongside the others, each one adding to the overall picture. That interconnected model is powerful, but it only develops over time, which brings me to the most important thing I want you to take away from this video. Passive income is not a shortcut. It's a long game played with intention. The people who build real passive income aren't the ones who found a secret method. They're the ones who picked a model, committed to it, and gave it enough time to work. The AI tools available today have dramatically lowered the barrier to entry for content creation. What used to require a full production team, a camera, a studio, an editor, can now be done by one person with a laptop and a small stack of affordable tools. That's a genuine shift. It means the upfront investment required to start a content-based passive income business is lower than it's ever been. The time investment is still real, but the financial barrier has largely disappeared. If you're willing to put in consistent effort over the next 6 to 12 months, one video a week, one piece of content at a time, the returns are there. The tree analogy holds. You won't see fruit in the first month. You might not see much in the third. But by month 6, month 12, the picture starts to look very different. That's the honest truth about passive income. It works, but it works on its own timeline, not the one the highlight reels suggest. If you found this useful, subscribe, because this channel is built around exactly this kind of content. Honest strategies, realistic expectations, and real ways to build income that doesn't depend on trading every hour for $1. I'll see you in the next one.